Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, TCS free NQT, you can say fourth phase exam date is also out now. TCS is going to conduct the next exam on 31st of March 2025. Okay, so I will provide you the complete detail, even the link from where you will be able to download the admit card. But friends, one more thing which I wanted to highlight here. So this TCS fresher hiring, now the date has been extended and you will be able to register till 30th of March 2025, right? So this is TCS free NQT hiring only for 2025 batch, Prime Digital and Ninja role, right? So BE BTech, ME MTech, MSc MCA are eligible. Okay, and now the registration date basically was earlier 23rd of March, and I think 23rd of March I think, and now it is 30th of March. Okay, so your test date will be Saturday 15th, so test has already been started, and now the next date is 31st of March. Now friends, so you can download the admit card from this particular portal. Many of you have been already downloaded and you know your center. Your admit card will look something like this. Okay, so I will just show you. So your admit card will look something like this. So TCS NQT All India Batch 2025 admit card, TCS NQT All India Batch 2025. The center here is given. So Bidhan Nagar East, Salt Lake, Kolkata, West Bengal. Okay, so plot number 54 and 55, and the timing is 2 p.m. to 5:10 p.m. Get closer timing 1:30 p.m. Reporting time 12:30, and date of test is 31st of March 2025. Now friends, you already know the pattern of the TCS examination. One more thing I wanted to show you here, so please spare 1 minute of time and read this. Okay, so thank you so much sir. After watching your video of today's TCS repeated question, I got confident, and today my test, really I need to say thank you to you sir, because first time I solved more than 11 to 12 question in the quantitative. Literally I hate maths, but after watching your video got confident. Guys, without any doubt, just follow the channel. Today I attended TCS NQT, most questions asked to us from your videos. So whatever videos I have done on YouTube, if you do this video, go and write the exam, that is more than sufficient. Sir, I got same question that you taught in question number 2, 3, 4, 5. So one of the video, which this was uploaded. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 11. So more than some 9 to 10 questions are repeating. Okay. Sir, I completed today's test. All aptitude questions same to same from your channel. Thank you, sir. More than 10 question, same in numerical ability. Out of 20 question, friend, 10 question directly coming as it is. Okay. Sir, today's 26th March, all questions were exact. I have almost cleared all the questions including advanced aptitude. Thanks a lot. Your proper analysis worked. I have applied the same tricks you taught us. It was super easy. All the questions were like, I have seen this. I completed my TCS test in the morning. Batch literally similar questions are asked. Thank you very much. Garda उड़ा दिया sir. गर्दा ही उड़ाना है यार. Okay. Now, so here's hello sir. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. From last minute revision वाला video 90% of the questions आया है. Thank you. 90% of the question, not 50, 60, 70. 90% of the questions are on similar pattern on what you have done. Thanks a lot, sir. May God bless you. Okay. So all those things we have, if I show it will be like, you could see. So see this, the PDF is so big. Okay. I will be keep repeating, and you will be see many questions are directly asked. Okay. Now, so friends, what you do is, so whatever videos is uploaded on our channel, just look at this. Okay. And start your preparation. So if you come down here, so TCS NQT 2025, this is coding question asked on 25th of March. TCS question on 25th of March. Exam analysis, okay, and then TCS onboarding delay, or that is different. Then this particular video from where most of the questions are getting repeated. TCS NQT questions asked on 20th of March. Lot of videos are there. TCS how to take input in TCS exam. The questions asked on 15th of March, aptitude question. So friends, all those things, if you will just go through now, that's all, you will be able to clear the exam. You do not have to put much of your effort, right? Okay. Now, so one more thing friends, I would like to tell you, अरे भाई बार बार क्यों खुल जा रहा है वो same चीज. Okay, so here third slide. So they have given the instructions. So what all you have to carry? Please ensure you carry the following documents with you to the test center on the date of exam. Printed copy of admit card. Okay, so a copy of the physical hard copy of your admit card is mandatory for admission into the exam venue. You must carry one passport size photo and paste the same on the admit card at the exam venue. So your admit card and one photo you have to take, and you have to paste it at the exam. Original government issued photo identity proof for verification such as Aadhaar card, driving license, passport, voter ID, PAN card. ID card with incomplete date of birth details will not be considered. College ID card will not be considered. Okay, report to the test center well before the gate closure time. Prohibited items, no personal items including jewelry. Friends, take one pen for the exam. Paper they will be giving it to you. So take one pen for the examination. Okay, fine. You will not be permitted to appear for the exam if you fail to carry the Aadhaar card, photo and mandatory government issued photo identity proof, right? So this was the thing which I wanted to convey you. So the next exam date is 31st of March, and definitely most of the students are now relaxed that the hiring date is increased. So if you have still not applied, you can go ahead and apply. And then so this is the way you will be able to download the admit card. So I do not wanted to drag this video much. So the only thing is, so whatever the recent question is asked, prepare that question. That's all, nothing else is required. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care, prepare hard and prepare wisely, prepare smartly. Watch the video from where the question comes. Don't unnecessarily spend your time on something else. Take care, bye bye. We'll meet soon, yaar.